On Saturday evening, District Collector Alex Paul Menon was taken hostage by Maoist terrorists. 48 hours later, the state government is still groping in the dark, even as its forces on the ground are clueless as to the next course of action. Today, Alex Menon's wife made another open appeal. She's joining me in 2 minutes to let go of the district collector. But why was Alex Menon the target for the Maoists? Was it only because he too was a government official, or more importantly, because he did a lot of good work for the people of his district of Sukma, and this made the Maoists extremely insecure?
An honest officer of the Indian Administrative Service, punished for his good work. It has been over 48 hours since District Collector Alex Menon was abducted by Maoists, and a helpless Chhattisgarh government is still clueless. Times now travel to Majipara, the remote village from where the collector was abducted in broad daylight. A CRPF camp just 4 kilometers away is yet to receive any instructions from authorities about an action plan.
It is in this very village of Majipara where the abducted district collector Alex Paul Menon was trying to reach out to the common people, to the tribals, try to make them aware of what really they could make up of their life in today's world. But then again, this was not liked by the Maoists.
The local police also clueless, as they take on the Maoists in a territory where the terror group holds the advantage.
There are areas in our district where our presence is very minimal. That creates a sense of domination by Naxalites in some area.
As the government gets into a huddle, sources say the abducted collector has been moved to Thulasi Dongria, a Maoist hotbed bordering Sukma in Chhattisgarh and Malkangiri in Odisha, a dangerous red corridor.
The district collector of Sukma, Alex Paul Menon, being abducted in broad daylight with both his PSOs being shot at the spot by the Maoists only because he was trying to reach out to the common people.
As the hours go by, with no respite in sight, a tormented wife making an appeal.
There's a lot of dust-prone area, and so we are really worried about his health conditions, which could have been deteriorating by now. So we request the Naxals to, ensure that he is released as soon as possible.
The cry for Menon's release only getting shriller, with villagers from the newly carved district of Sukma vouching for their administrators' efforts to improve their lives.
जी हम लोग देख रहे थे कलेक्टर साहब को आए हुए जिले में करीबन 1 महीने हो गए थे और ऐसा कोई क्षेत्र नहीं था कार्य का जिसमें वो इंटरेस्ट नहीं ले रहे थे, चाहे वो मछली पालन हो या जल संसाधन विभाग हो या खेल कूद का क्षेत्र हो.
Under pressure from all sides, the Chief Minister giving the necessary assurances. His statement only giving away the helplessness of his government.
उनकी भी चिंता है, हमारी भी चिंता है. वो जो मदद कर सकते हैं, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन इनपुट दे सकते हैं, वो हमको मिलता रहता है.
A young officer doing the best for his district. His bold initiatives making the Maoist terrorists insecure. The question is, will honesty once again have to be sacrificed at the altar of terror? Or will the Chhattisgarh government ensure that this time it comes out a winner? With Aishwarya in Sukma, Ankita Dwivedi, Times Now.